Dialogue. And the lion's blood is
here. Igbo Area TV, on the Igbo.
Hello, great people. How are you doing today? Please hit the subscribe button and let's go there. This is a very interesting topic. Please, what I am about to share with us, see it as just stereotypes, even though some of the times the truth is told while doing so. The material is not mine, but I am looking at a material. Just understand it like that. I would like us to look at a very short stuff. Someone said what is happening between Peter and Paul of the PSquare fame is just tribalism. It was going fine between the Igbo twins until marriage set in. But marriage is necessary. They had to marry. So what is the actual problem? One married a Yoruba wife who seemingly stood by him when he had nothing. She is allegedly older, but does that really matter? I don't think it matters when there is love. One of the major reasons people get married is to have children, and Lola had kids. So why the fools if they are actually happy among themselves? Well, if I had the opportunity to advise PSquare Okoye, that's the family entirely at that point in time, because everyone added to the problem, I would ask them to give Peter all the support he needed, since he has made up his mind to settle with the Yoruba lady. That was his choice. After all, his children will still be Igbo, if that is a problem. It is different from saying a Yoruba guy coming to marry an Igbo lady. And I still wouldn't pick offense over all the Igbo ladies marrying Yoruba guys. That is their choice. Please. But I understand, and I stand to be corrected, that marriage between people of same ethnicity or ethnic groups works better. Like I said, this material is not mine. I'm looking at a material. I am by one Chinedu Mosu, and he wrote, let's read further. He wrote, Igbos, I dare say, suffer from ancient hatred for other tribes, which is reinforced by intra-ethnic hatred. Before I continue, I want to correct the impression that there is nothing like actually hatred for other tribes. There is nothing like that. Nothing. And there's nothing like intra-ethnic hatred. Hatred among Igbos among themselves. No. It is about preservation, traditional beliefs, cultural differences, and prejudices. That is what is influencing the marriage. It is about faith. It's about religious background. Even Christianity cautions about where to take a wife. You are advised not to take from people who are not of the same faith in the marital union. Experiences show many marriages crashes due to these differences. Some of these problems arise when the children start coming up, growing, and the decision about which faith to follow. Distance is another factor. People may not want their children to move very far away from their clan. When it comes to marriage. However, this is not a major problem in recent times due to the ease of transportation. So it is also about corruption, corruption and the lineage, preserving the bloodline according to some. In the sense, avoiding mixing biologically, having children of mixed race, ethnicity, culture, background, with other people. That's why some people may not want to marry from other places. You could remember Jews at some point in time, according to the Bible, were not allowed to mix with other races in marriage. I think you see that in Deuteronomy 7:1-5. There is something like that. You have to read it on your own. So it had nothing to do with hatred, though I won't rule out that in recent times, other factors like dislike for certain things, hatred, stereotypes influence it. So Chinedu went further to write. He said, some individuals here who are seemingly Igbos always castigate non-Anambrarians. The worst is, according to him, Nnewi people. He said, if you are dating an Nnewi lady, but you are not from Nnewi and the surrounding Nnobi at all, they won't marry you if you are not within that area. And he said, not just Anambra and Anambra people, even other Igbos castigate Ebonians as third class, and even the Wawa Enugu. He said most Anambra families hardly allow their children to marry non-Anambrarians. And let me add mine now. Some Imolites too avoid Mbise when it comes to marriage. Some, because of what I too consider as stereotypes. Even Mbise produce great people in this country. You hear something like, when a woman control their men. That already sends some kind of signals to prospective husbands. All these things, I consider them as stereotypes. You hear it is costly to marry from Imo, Abia. Stereotypes. Meanwhile, I had Rochas try to look into that. That was during his tenure as Imo governor. He wanted to correct the issue of high cost of marriage. Even in Anambra, you find some communities that it is costly to marry. It's all everywhere. It's everywhere. That's what I want to say. So Chinedu wants to continue. He wrote, before you bash me, I am talking from experience, not just hearsay. I am from east of the Niger. So the author of the article is from east, please. He said the non-unity of Igbo will make it hard for Igbos to produce a president. He continued, take for example, when Peter Obi was nominated the vice president. Not that they have won. Ohaneze and Southeast governors objected. Why? They said they were not consulted. And he concluded by writing, I tire for on our beg. Igbos rise beyond ethnic sentiments. Like I said, the article was from one Chinedu. In conclusion, I would like you to see the following videos which relates to what we are talking about as in a marriage now. First video was by an Imo lady. She was complaining it is not okay on why Anambra people avoid Imo people. And she's like, she's not pleased. See this video.
Hi guys, my name is Esther Sky. I beg something where they bother me. Don't in fact, it's in they pay me. On behalf of all the girls from Imo State, please, may I help us beg Anambra men and Enugu men, may they marry us. Only few of Anambra men and they marry other tribe, and only few of Enugu men and go say marry Imo State. In fact, the worst part of it is that Enugu men don't even like to date any girl from Imo State. Then they even date. If they date, they don't go spend 1 naira on you. Because they first say they don't get money. But Anambra men, they money spend money on a woman. But if they won't marry, they will go village, go carry wife, send their market wife for them. When I help us beg Anambra men. Anambra men, they fine. But then they like to marry Imo State girls. They can only flaunt Imo State girls around, date them as a girlfriend. But if they won't marry, they go village, go carry wife. Nobody won't marry anybody from Imo State. Nobody won't marry us. Which we will do? Our own Imo men, no, they marry us again. Our own Imo men, in fact, they even like to marry cha-cha-cha. They want to go build hotel, make money, build hotel, travel. So they will say they go Cambridge. They go Cambridge, you see Imo man with all these 40 years, never even ready to marry. And if they won't marry, they'll go marry Yoruba, marry other tribe. Then they marry us. Who will come marry us from Imo State? Anambra don't reject us. Enugu don't reject us. Even Benin Papa don't reject us. Who will marry us now? Even Ned Nwoko, they take the girl hope, say maybe I go be in 7th wife or 8th wife. He never answer me. Ned now don't they marry 7th wife. And the girl hope say next say now I go be in 8th wife. Now they tell me say I no be virgin. Only virgin they marry. We get everything. Yeah, nobody won't marry us. See now, see everything there. See, everything there. Everything there. Who will come marry me? I define husband.
Now, the next video you're about to see is an Anambra lady in reply to the first video.
Good morning. On behalf of all the Anambra girls and Anambra guys, I beg, may I take go beg una. You get wetin at the year Imo State people they complain, say our Anambra guys not the reason of our matter. They know they do this. Auntie, how you women they take reason your matter? Our Anambra guys know the reason matter based on by big nash and by big breasts and by using all the whole organic cream. If you like, get big nash, big breasts, they use all the whole organic cream ready for this world. If you not get character, they don't feel reason your matter. Now character, our own guys they marry, they marry by say you too fine, you too fresh, you too do this, you too do that. You package front and back. They marry that kind of people. Now character that they marry. If you like, may your breasts, may your nyash get character, pass your own character. My sister, they don't go reason your matter. Our own Anambra guys, might tell you, that they marry girls who get character, no face. We go fit if they marry them come house, they go fit take care of their mama and their papa. They value girl where be say get better character. If you like, be like yeah. If you like, they like I. If you like, no get front, no get back, but you get character, they go marry you. No face. I don't know why on they cry, say our own Anambra guys, they marry them. How they want start? I don't understand. When we say for Imo State, 10 guys they date one girl, and the whole 10 guys, all of them know themselves. All of them be friends. They do things together. And different of them, they don't know say that one girl that they date. How they want me to date the reason your matter? One girl go celebrate her birthday. The celebrant go invite like 20 guys. Out of 20 guys, the 20 of them know themselves, and now one girl that they date. How they wanted the reason your matter? I know how they wanted the reason your matter. I don't understand. What they do, but if it be Enugu State, for the reason una. But all nothing cool now go that side. My sister now go connect to Anambra because our own guys they don't go feel leave us go marry una. They never marry us finish. No verse, auntie. They never marry us finish. So now on that side now, I don't understand. Waiting they special that side where they want to leave our own girls when they marry them. Yes, they marry. Their mama they tell them say they keep wife for them for house. This that. Yes, they keep wife because now woman we get character now they keep for house. Not be the one where by big nash and big breast. Now woman we get character now they keep for them for house and no vex. If it be say na Imo State go the Enugu State go the reason on a matter, I beg, may una calm down for na guys. May una be calming down for na guys. You understand? If una guys know the reason on a matter, may una notice in another state you go fit on the reason on a matter because e get waiting them see for una. We make them know the reason on a matter. You come be our own guys now na one come they no fit marry una no vex. For una bride price self matter. Una bride price money if you marry like 5 girls for Anambra State. I don't understand. If they complain say that they build club, that they do this, that they do that, that they build us. Yes, because una too like party. Una too like party. So they use that money where they go take the marry una. They take they do hotel for una, they do club. Because una like flexing. Ogwa pari ebe ngwari ka pori. You gonna worry now. Abi you no worry each other side. Una come Anambra State, now our own guys come they marry una. And it's not possible, no verse. They never marry us finish. They never marry us finish. And besides, our own guys, they know they marry girls say you too package you. Might just open your ear very well. Might just clear you the normal truth. Waiting they marry, Now woman will get character, no verse. If you don't get character, auntie, just they go back to your own state. If you don't get character, forget. Not even the reason say man Anambra man could they marry you. Because what is they marry na character, and besides, they never marry us finish, yeah? So may not be coming down. May not be coming down for una man. Una man go come marry una, yeah? They go come marry una.
I think this is what is trending right now. Please add your own comments We would like to know on the comment section. Tell us what you think about this issue of Igbo not refusing to marry other ethnicity, or even some, even among us Igbos, that we select who to marry. We don't marry from every other part. Please add your comment, share this video. Also click on the bell icon to get our updates each time it drops. Subscribe to our channel. I am Azuka OJ. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.